This is a video showing how to use the new buckle system as a trial for Canwest DHI in Guelph.
Okay, what you're going to do first, everyone will have an instruction sheet. You'll take your strap with the loose end folded towards yourself, making the loop, which you'll then take and put through the center of the buckle, bringing one of the legs of the buckle through it so that it sits down flat. Then you'll wrap it around your package and repeat the process with the other end. So bringing that loose end towards yourself to make that loop, coming through the center of the buckle, the leg through the loop, and pulling it back down flat. Then to tighten it on the package, take both loose ends and pull firmly to bring them down, sitting it flat on the box. Then we want these loose ends tucked once more under through that buckle and bring them around so they sit flat underneath the tightened part of the strap. Do that with the other side so that they both sit flush. Like this. For the trial, we're sending you 3 sets of straps. One's marked with white tape will be for 1 box shipments, yellow tape will be for 2 boxes, and red tape for 3 boxes. We'd appreciate your feedback. Thank you.